Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure MileIQ for mileage deduction tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring MileIQ for mileage deduction tracking, first, download and install the MileIQ app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account using your email address and a secure password. Next, grant the app permission to access your location. This access allows MileIQ to automatically track your driving. After setting up your account, choose your preferred mileage deduction method. You can select either the standard mileage rate or actual expenses based on your preference. To set up your expense categories, navigate to the Settings menu within the app. Here, you can define categories such as business, personal, and commute. Once your categories are established, start tracking your drives. MileIQ will automatically log your trips, distinguishing between personal and business use. At the end of each drive, view the logged trips in the app. You can edit any trips if necessary, adjusting dates, destinations, or purposes. Regularly review your trips to ensure accuracy in your mileage logs. To generate mileage reports, go to the Reports section within the app. Select the desired time frame for your report. Then choose the format that best suits your needs, like PDF or Excel. Once your report is ready, you can easily export it or send it to your accountant. For tax purposes, remember to keep your reports organized throughout the year. Finally, make sure to periodically check for app updates to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.